Hello everyone, welcome to my channel AJ Digital World. Here I can suggest affiliate marketing, digital marketing tools, and also suggest the world's best websites to earn money online and the money making app also. I can share the world's best affiliate program that you can earn money online. To join, link in description box. If you're interested, so please subscribe to my channel and stay with me. I hope you are enjoying the video and also implement this knowledge into your online journey. Today I suggest one of the best online e-commerce marketplace platforms of Southeast Asia. For whole information, watch the video till the end, that's very great for you. Grab the opportunities, subscribe to the channel. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, link in the description box. Please subscribe to my channel so I make more videos for you, and don't forget to ring the bell icon. I also create a playlist of 10 earning sites and an online money making survey site. Thanks. Let's start the video.
What is Qoo10? Qoo10 is a Southeast Asian online business stage, earlier known as Gmarket, settled in Singapore. It works confined online commercial centers across Singapore, Indonesia, Malaysia, Tehran, China, and Hong Kong, and on one worldwide online commercial center. If you want to visit the site, link in the description box. Can Qoo10 be trusted? As a commercial center stage, Qoo10 is a protected spot to purchase. With eBay and Yahoo as its accomplice, it ought not to be an issue. Are Qoo10 items credible? Qoo10 fortifies its long-time business guideline to guarantee that all items that are being sold inside the biggest online business commercial center are authentic. Qoo10 handles the offer of fake items proactively and responsively. Who claims Qoo10 SG? Koo Young Bae. Notwithstanding 9 years in the business, Singapore's top online business stage Qoo10, with in excess of 30% portion of the market, is as yet in the red. Yet turning productive is not too far off, author and CEO Koo Young Bae imparted to the Business Times. What amount of time does Qoo10 require to discount? It would be ideal if you note, discounts to visas can require as long as 30 days to show up on your assertion. In the event that you made a request and paid by credit card, Visa, Master, the Visa exchange will be naturally dropped. Nonetheless, the period for a discount may vary contingent upon the charging pattern of your Visa organization. How would you purchase things on Qoo10? To purchase stuff on the site, you need to buy Q** coins and spend them. Contingent upon the conversion scale and the cost of the thing, it might be less expensive to do this than to purchase on Qoo10. How would I get a Qoo10 receipt? Qoo10 gives the receipt to the client for orders made. On the off chance that you need to print out the receipt, benevolently go to my Qoo10 greater than recent requests, greater than click purchase description close to the truck no. At that point, you can look at or print the receipt. About the company. Qoo10 is the world's biggest online commercial center, to turn into Asia's driving on the web commercial center. Qoo10 gives a groundbreaking on the web commercial center stage that permits its purchasers to appreciate a profoundly secure and helpful shopping experience. The organization at present works 7 limited online commercial centers in 5 nations including Singapore. Plans to venture into more Asian nations soon. Vision. Our vision is to unite assorted purchasers and vendors worldwide and improve lives all over the place. We will endeavor to give a charming and incredible shopping experience. Business partnership opportunity. Qoo10 presently has organizations with different organizations including publicizing, advancement, occasion, installment, and delivery administrations. On the off chance that you are looking for association openings with Qoo10. What's more, incorporate the accompanying data, organization name, the individual in control, contact data, and the purpose behind reaching us. After the survey, we will reach you to talk about association openings. I hope you all are enjoying the video. If you want to get more interesting videos, to leave a comment, subscribe to my channel and smash the bell icon. Do not forget to share the video. Good luck.